Hi everyone, it's Miss Cossio here again. I thought it was time for us to do another recorder song, and Easter is coming. So I thought we could do a nice easy little song, and it's called Hot Cross Buns, and you just need 3 notes, okay? So you're going to have your thumb covering the hole at the back. That's very important. Sometimes if your note sounds a bit screechy, maybe check that your finger is actually covering that hole. And then you're going to put, Peter pointer is going to go here, your middle finger here, and your ring finger there, okay? So, we're going to go.
Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot, hot, hot cross buns.
It's nice and simple. So it goes hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot, hot, hot cross buns. You could change the words up if you like. I like to add a bit of rhythm in as well. So let's keep it simple to start with, and at the end I'll show you a cool thing to do. So here we go. We're going to go this one. Always keep your thumb on and just rest the rest of the recorder. Just rest it on your thumb. Okay, so we're going to go. So we're doing one of those, then we add in the second one, and then we add in the third one. And those notes are B, A, G, bag. So we're going to go B, A, G, B, A, G, B, A, B, A, G. Are you ready? How'd you go? Did you get it? Maybe a bit of practice. You can always go back and play along with me. Give yourself a bit of time to get really good at playing an instrument. These things take time and practice, but it's super fun. Here we go. I'll show you how I like to do it. A little bit upbeat. So I like to go. All I did there was, instead of doing a single note, I did 1, 2, 3, 4 of each. I went. I used my tongue to go like a D. And I kind of think it sounds really happy. It's a nice thing to be playing. So let me know how you get along. I hope you enjoy this one for Easter. Bye everyone.